Pat skul jong kadong bat katang.
Today, and I came to know that you came to the village, and I took this opportunity to do the inauguration of the bus. And I would like to say thank you so much for this. I will tell you, when I write a proposal to the CM for our school bus, and then I send a message to sir telling sir we have a proposal. Then sir, I remember the word he said, I'll get it done. I'll get it done. Give a big hands. And it truly happened within a month. So thank you very much, sir. So the sanction of this bus, it's 18,05,000. And we procured this bus 27.5, including all the registration and all. And the support which we got from Anandya's Bangalore, 3,000 or 3 lakhs, sorry. And from Sunbird Trust, we also got 3 lakhs. And with the remaining amount, we also taking a small little bit loan to fill up. Because if we carry this, take a small one, it will not be sufficient for our students. So this is the story. And we also say that when we begin the school in 2019, we begin with 15 students. And then now we shifted to 2021 here. The lands given by my mother. It's from here to down there. And initially this all very rough. But we make little until it becomes this much. And Sir Prestone is very passionate about our school. And whenever I go and tell him, sir, we need the road, I send a picture.